Whenever we talk in a Delhi way only. We don't talk in a Mumbai way or any other way. It's like to Delhi. 7 साल जब मैंने कैप्टनसी करी है, he had not spoken to me for 7 minutes about cricket. And he's been fabulous. He's been someone, I've said it openly as well, probably one of the best owners I've worked with.
What does it feel like being part of KKR again?
See, it was a very, very emotional decision. It was a decision which was a tough decision because with Lucknow, obviously had some really good memories for last 2 years, but then going back to KKR was something which was very emotional. I remember 2011 till 2017, there were a lot of emotions that were involved in to create a franchise, to create a legacy. Was able to win twice with the help of everyone.
Farooq reach out to you before this?
Yes, he did.
He did.
Yes, he did.
And what do you say? Wapas aaja in that Delhi boy way.
Yes. And whenever we talk in a Delhi way only. We don't talk in a Mumbai way or any other way. It's like to Delhi it's talking. And he's been fabulous. He's been someone, I've said it openly as well, probably one of the best owners I've worked with. And you won't believe this. 7 साल जब मैंने कैप्टनसी करी है, he had not spoken to me for 7 minutes about cricket. 7 साल में 7 मिनट भी मैं ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ. 7 मिनट भी मेरी और शाहरुख भाई की बात नहीं हुई for 7 minutes. I remember the first time we met, he told me that this is your team, make it or break it. अगर कोई मुझे एक्टिंग के बारे में समझाएगा तो मुझे कैसा लगेगा, तो मुझे पता है अगर तुझे मैं क्रिकेट के बारे में बताऊंगा तो तुझे कैसा लगेगा. So our conversations should be only about what's happening in life. In 2014, and I realized that what he said in 2011, he actually lived up to it. 2014 in Abu Dhabi, we started this IPL where I got 3 ducks in a row. 4th game I got a 1. और हम पहले 5 मैच में से 4 मैच हारे और मेरे 4 मैच में 1 रन बना था. तो we were coming back, we were staying at Ritz-Carlton, Abu Dhabi. So he was standing in the lobby, we lost that game. So he took me on the side and said, I want to sit with you. What's happening? Is everything fine? No cricket, nothing. I said, I'm thinking of dropping myself. He said, what? I said, I'm thinking of dropping myself. I don't think so. I deserve to be part of the playing 11. 3-0, 1 run, 4 मैच में कहाँ से मेरी जगह बनती है? I don't think so. I think, and I've always been like that, I think a leader should be a selfless leader, and a leader should be someone who should put his team ahead of him, which is probably the first quality of a leader. It should always be that. He said, till you are there, and you are there till you want to be there, you're not dropping yourself. You will play. You have to promise me that. He said, but I don't think so. I should be part of the playing 11. I said, you have to promise me there. Till you want to be here, you will be here. And till you're here, you will play every game. You have to promise. I said, okay, I promise. I came back, I got 3 or 4 half centuries in a row. We won in 2014. That was my only cricket conversation with him in 7 years of my captaincy with KKR. So imagine the amount of freedom he had given me. And वो एक trust भी build हो जाता है because he knows that how passionate I am, that he knows what kind of a character I am. He knows that I will always keep a team ahead of myself. It will never be about me. It will always be about the team. So when we had built that relationship for 7 years, it was fabulous.
Click here to watch the full episode.